tibuk to all my viewers right now watching this video. Done with all the cookings and all. So it's 10 right now. We'll be moving by 11 something. Okay, now I'll just get changed. Mushroom, tin mushroom chisui, and then chicken with gravy. So Junipedo, since we don't have any tiffins, zamda rice cooker garba. Taxi kudo dodo. See all the buckets. Oh, pretty. So finally, taxi is here. So Hitchy finally, my girls, girlies. Here are my boys. Top top. Eh, kinchel mame ya Nintendo mame ba? Nintendo mase boy sayedi. Lena buni semdilena bumoche Gacheluga we semdigeto saleme pare ho mi ekre
박자 제시요. 네 그자. 아니 가라지.
View tame. I just came to the other room because the view is too good.
Look. Ah, no, rinci. Gadelo an rap di wa.
David sini dei citadi, putule kama sensagi kan. Yo.
So this is our situation, bridge Kiule. Yeah, good luck.
Never run.
Oh, finally!
Who has that water?
Yeah.
Water lagi.
누가 배우겠죠? 빠빠빠 지랑 같이 내 집에 대해서 있나?
너무 후련데.
Allah!
Çağla da mesaj geliyor.
Chaka tobloy. Kasa trauma.
Kayak beunya weh.
Okay guys, so that's how my tibuk ends. Look what I'm doing. So I have this assignment submission in 3 hours. So So it's 11 right now, and I couldn't record after that since my phone died. And then yeah, I'm back in my room, and my parents actually enjoy being now. It's with my friends, so it was really nice. Today I had real great fun with my real good friends. So yeah, it was a really nice experience. And my friends already did. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you in my next vlog.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.